Hey guys, it's your girl Mr. Fluffy. I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making seasoned rice. If y'all don't know what seasoned rice is, it's just when you put a whole bunch of different ingredients in one pot, in one rice, mix everything up together. Y'all probably what y'all call it, goulash, but ours we call seasoned rice. I'm just using some ackee and saltfish. If y'all haven't seen that video on how I made the ackee and saltfish, please head over there. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so you can get every time your girl uploads a new video. And if you're only returning back to my videos, you don't know, say awesome, much respect. Thanks for returning back, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. And if you're down with the fluffiness, don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Check me out. Help your girl grow. I just found this in my closet. What is this? A little kitty cat. Little kitty cat in the pocket right here. So cute. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so if y'all see my last video, my ackee and saltfish, y'all know I was gonna make seasoned rice. So here I have some long grain rice from Walmart, enriched, and I have some butter, black pepper to season up my eggs. I got 3 eggs over there, salt, shredded carrots. If y'all remember, I've been had these. Like, if y'all seen all my previous videos, y'all could tell, y'all know I've been using this. I'm surprised it's not expired. I guess carrot lasts long. So, shredded carrots, and I have my ackee and saltfish right here. So, see all that juice right there? All that oil? So, I'm going to save that for later. So, what I'm going to work with first is the rice and the carrot. I'm gonna do about 2 cups of rice. I could probably save some of the rice for later, so I'm gonna do 2 cups. If you want a smaller portion, you could do 1 cup for sure. So remember, 2 cups of rice with 4 cups of water. And I'm gonna rinse this rice. So I'm gonna come back when it's on the stove, okay? When it's on the fire. Guys, I'm just using these eggs because Jano, they've been sitting in my fridge for about 2 weeks now before I'm going to Jamaica. So I'm gonna make use of them. I don't want them to go bad. So I'm gonna put them in my seasoned rice. When you have seasoned rice, you can't put anything in there. Or your rice, or your pot. You do what you want to do. So I'm going come back. Alright guys, so I just rinsed the rice. Added 4 cups of water in there, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of my shredded carrots. 1 cup. Just pour it all up in there. Just pour it in. Then I'm gonna go with my salt. Gotta be salty. Well, not salty, just enough. All right, that should be good. Cause we're also flavoring up the carrot in there. So I'm gonna give this a little mix real quick. Then I'm gonna add my butter. Butter. Oh yeah, right now my temp is on high. When you see your pot boiling a little bit, then turn it down to medium. Let it boil some more, and then cut it down to completely low. Should take about 20 minutes to cook the rice. Shouldn't take long, even with the carrot in there. The carrot's just steaming with everything else. So it shouldn't take long. And what I have left to do is just fry up the eggs. I might use the butter or take out some of this oil from the egg, from the ackee, and fry the eggs. That's what I'm gonna do. Take out some of the oil from the ackee and fry up my egg. Yep. So I'm gonna let this rice finish cooking. Then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna put everything together. This is basically what to do with your leftover food. Yeah. What to do with your leftover food. So come back. Alright guys, so my rice is finished. I got the rice over here. Let me give y'all a little glimpse. I'm gonna show y'all a better lighting. But that's the rice, nice and fluffy and well plump up. So I did told y'all I was gonna use the oil, the oil from the ackee. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm just mixing up the egg. Just pour that right in. And cut your temp to high so your egg can cook through. And I'm gonna go with some black pepper. I'm gonna go with some black pepper. Season up the egg. And I'm gonna put a dab, a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt in here. So it can bring out the egg flavor. Let's mix this around. Ooh. So after the egg finished scramble up, I just took all that light. After the egg finished scramble up, I'm gonna add some of my ackee in the pot. And guys, you could definitely make the rice in advance. Make the rice the day before. Cause old rice is better. Make sure my egg damn good. Oh man. Yeah, so if you use day old rice. Also, you can get ackee at Publix. I know Publix is in a lot of states right now. A lot of states. So you can get ackee at Publix. In the international section. Alright, I'm gonna tell you certain Walmarts. If you live in a diverse, hold on, I'm gonna add some of this ackee in there. If you live in a diverse city, your city may carry canned ackee in the international section aisle. But if you live in a city like where I live right now, like Tallahassee, they won't have it at all. Like at all. So it depends how diverse your city is. You can check your Walmart international section and see if they have it. Sometimes I wish I lived down south just so I could get all my Jamaican ingredients. Up here, like, it's really hard. You gotta go to a certain store. Some store don't have it. Down there, I could go to Walmart, I could go to Publix, I could go to Target, I could go anywhere. Well, I'm just playing about Target. Target probably don't have that type of stuff. Yeah, but I could go to either one and I'll get whatever I'm looking for. I don't have to drive around everywhere. Like I come up here and say, I want some yum to put in my soup or make some pumpkin rice. Them don't know any yum. They might show me squash. I'm like, no, sir, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I was talking about. Alright, so I'm gonna put in some of this rice. I'm not using all of this rice. I'm gonna save some for another time. Like I told y'all earlier. Probably put in half of this rice. Ooh, that rice is good. Ooh, that rice look good. Yo, that rice is fluffy now. Alright, what I did when I rinsed my rice, you know, you rinse the rice, some water is still left over. So I did 2 cups of rice, so 4 cups of water. But what I did, since we rinsed the rice, I didn't put exactly 4. So the last cup, my 4th cup, I just put a little less than a cup. So I didn't fill up that cup all the way through. Because the rice already have water in it. So I just cut back a little with my last cup of water. Hope that makes sense. But so the fried rice, look, I'm put some more in it. Cause I know so this like a turn up. Yo, that rice that look good, you know. See, I was gonna buy jasmine rice, but I was like, you know what, no, I'm gonna just get this Walmart rice. It doesn't taste the same. Just mix everything around. Like I was saying, if you have pumpkin, you can put some pumpkin in here. Well, no, back it up. Not in here like this. If you're gonna put everything in one pot and steam it down that way, then you can add the pumpkin. But the way I did mine, I would have to cut up the pumpkin small and put it with my rice so it can get soft. So you can't put the raw pumpkin in the cooked rice. I'm gonna cover this up. This is not the lid, but I'm gonna work with it. I'm gonna put this temp on low. Everything's finished cooking. I'm just gonna basically infuse all the different flavors into one. So the steamed rice done. It really done already. Done already. You can eat this by itself because you have the saltfish in there, or if you want more meat in your life, because some people love meat, you can pair this up with some chicken, some pork, some fish, whatever fish you like, tilapia, you can use snapper, you can use trout, whatever you like, you can pair that up with it. But I'm gonna eat mine just like that. Seasoned rice and just like it, just like that. Simple, dimple, wimple. So I'm gonna give this a taste. I'm gonna plate it up for y'all. I'm gonna give it a taste. And then that's it. Quick, simple, easy, and delicious. Y'all don't know. Don't know. Lego. I'm gonna plate it up for y'all real quick. Alright guys, so the thing done. Thing done up. See it here. Ooh. Yo. That look good up. Good up, and good. So I'm just mix this around and I'm gonna just plate it for y'all. Ooh. Only if y'all could be in this kitchen. The taste is awesomeness. Oh man, oh yeah. So good. Seasoned rice. You see them pimento seed them? You don't want them something there. Let me take that out. Let me know if y'all like pimento seeds, cause can't yam them there. Can't eat it. Don't have the heart. Don't. Oh, I thought I zoomed in on it. I'm just bringing it to y'all. There you go. There you go. Yes. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a comment down below. Ja is standing by my side. So I'm gonna taste this for y'all. So y'all already know the best part about cooking is the eating, tasting, deliciousness. Best part about cooking is eating your food. Okay, don't know say your food I got turned up. Ooh, God. I haven't had seasoned rice in a long time, Ja. Ja don't know. Even without the pumpkin, still good. Let me know what y'all be putting in y'all seasoned rice. Blessed up. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. You don't know for more awesomeness. Bye.